Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the web version of Google Maps, so first sign into your Google account to save places and routes. Once signed in, allow location access so maps can center on you automatically. If you prefer privacy, type an address instead. Now choose a map view: map, satellite, or terrain, because each reveals different details. Use the mouse wheel or the zoom buttons to set scale. Once done, you're ready to search for destinations and build your first route. Create directions by clicking directions and entering your origin and destination. Add intermediate stops with the plus button to plan multi-stop trips. Make sure to toggle useful layers like traffic for congestion, transit for schedules, and bicycle for bike-friendly roads. Live traffic explains why a route is slower. If you need precise measurement, right-click and choose Measure Distance, or drag the route line to force an alternate path. Once satisfied, save important places to a list so you can access. When your plan is complete, click Share to copy a link or use Print for paper copy. This helps hand off routes or keep a backup. Use Street View by dragging Pegman onto blue streets to verify landmarks and entrances before you go. To preserve complex itineraries, create a custom My Maps layer for export or long-term editing. If something goes wrong, pins not saving or maps not loading, sign out and back in, then clear your browser cache and cookies. That resolves most state and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.